possibilities.
I was saying, Mobibia, a chance, and so Mobibia, a Kaba, and Coastal TV, so your channel, no, a digital channel 514, your sounds your Facebook, and your live and colored, YouTube. Adia Chimbia. Yemfa as to die a decan Emma or 2 for Yankopon. I nadum, no humo brahma, dear chi and qua dear. There is hope for the future, there is hope for the day. And it's no, and no pay coming hona, yemfa sadaka say. Yemfa ma Nyankopon sanso ena baby a wo hwe fi bia nso no bepese e be ma wo akwa abasron kokra na ya stress ya channel no se me din kan no digital 514 na se wo hwe wo Facebook anaso se YouTube na se unya ye link na obomoden se obeche ama afoforo obeche Sane we share ba ko no share the link we so share the link na chairman crofo na obi anso hu se Coastal TV morning mix jumedien Tuesdays edition no ye de ahehye so in fact ya hye dadaada nti omomode na onfa na fidie no ento Coastal TV anaso on hwehwe ye wo YouTube anaso se Facebook ye channel no so na oni ye endi juma ene no ene we bre na be koso ha o te ase Enema bebre ena beden ebekoso ofiase. Ena e Tuesday as usual. Ye bedi afarefo nkomo e ofia ha. Ye ne afarefo krofo eye enam ho adwuma krofo ekopo. Ye ne omo ebedi enkomo e ofiase. Sanso na wo hwe se ya mesi age me Ghana meti he ya ene ye ne. Ene ye ne. Because no. Once again, your man no, hopefully by the grace of God, they will give us more joy, more happiness, more of everything. Nti no anopedi ye se ahya ase no. I was say ye fa empire ba no den ohun. Ye fa nta ye mrantie no echi. Ye fa empire ba no den nta ye mrantie no echi na. Ye mmom pa se Nyankopon nala obeso honmu Nyankopon nala beso honmu na waso honnan mu na waze wona bobo no dem bobe ya yebinya nkunimzi Black Stars yebinya nkunimzi nti no dem naughty enti anopei no Yedi afare phone come no ya no pay the news no ebe bro as usual like we always do it no yedi news no ebe bro na newspapers so ebe ba wakwem yedi sports no so beba be sumo yedi sports ebe ba be sumo and some matters arising issues bi so ekokokoso ewo Cape Coast in Fifi Mantem ene Ghana ha nyina so no yedi ebe ba be sumo so making sure say once it's our channel no in free her making sure say when you're there once it's our channel no in free her say na when ye ebetna from sesia kopem say ebebo 10 na ya sorry morning mix jumadi en so de ene ne wa ena ebokusu atafre nti bomode asa oni ye ebetna yada nyankopon asa ewiedi ane na yemfa aseda ema wankasa nso a o join ye anopei o hwe wo TV no so na o hwe wo Facebook and also YouTube no ye da se pa se odi we video no at Coastal TV sanso ena ye da aseda edi ho no ema otumfo nyankopon se eye nadom na aye ne pe sa no pain so yentimi en sorry every ye kete so ye wa hoden na yada so tunkwam de yemfa aseda emma no na yensanso mfa aseda emma yaboafo a anopai omaso yase yade Coastal TV morning mix jumadie no yade ebre yahwefo ene yetiefo enti no yemfa aseda enkoma National Petroleum Authority eye NPA na omoso masam yetietia World Cup you was ya ye gieni enkofa enigye bi ho enkoba BBM mo anasa how bi nkonkoto na sayara sa wuku se petrol tanker bi enya accident ayese bomode ase omben ho na in fact enkwaje hwe wo ho me enkwaje hwe wo ho yenyina ye stay back na ye stay safe sane be ya you be to celebrate with Black Stars in this World Cup it is na etie ewa ha sanso na aseda ne biem enkoma the Taste Kitchen Services ewo Abra Market eye coffee upon cluster of stores no ho na the Taste Kitchen Services ewo na aduane ne de se wo pene ebema akoma to yem wo pene ebema wotimi ahwe Ghana Black Stars match ni yie na enkonya heart attack bia enkonya heart burns bia the Taste Kitchen Services say bomode anafa woni echiremu wo ho Nesto Ventures enso ewo Abra opposite Methodist Church no oton home appliance and electrical gadgets ahodo bebre first name ne doors so na wodo siesie washroom sink mirrors den mpacha okoho sansa me chance me kan yenya mpon ye sansa men's hardware and finishes say so person won paint dan no open decorative materials bi na wooden year decorative materials here this siesie wall ho ama ne ye fe ne ade bomode ana fo ni chirim ewo men's hardware and finishes we ho mo ewo opposite Orange House and I say opposite Cape FM ho na we hu men's hardware and finishes Patmo print and so ewo Peju fire service for headquarters no woman sorry dana and it's fire service no edi hwehwe ni woman sorry dana chi eho na we hu Patmo print sanso na diesel gift shop and so ewo Interverting Junction traffic lights no ase anopay yaboafoi na yede aseda no ema wo mu ai omo no maso yasen dwumede yedi nyina no omo ka ho bi na yedi ntine yede aseda kese de bema wo mu yaka ne sa no na mayemfa motivational message emfa emrew anopay yemfa motivational message no emfa emrew anopay bi ase ne Coastal TV no yeye no you make sure say the motivational message no ebebrew sanse ye sha ase sa na say ye feed your soul what you say ye kra energy ansana dwumadie no kra atwa ansana ye day no kra ya start ya ema day no ekoye it doesn't matter kra into no bomodin say ode waso ebema me ebra me the motivational message no e dey ebrew na anopay nia ye wo ma wo ene say me kan wo bro from ya no macheshem. When life gives you 100 reasons to break down and cry, show life that you have a million reasons to smile and lie and laugh. Stay strong. When life gives you 100 reasons to break down and cry, show life that you have a million reasons to smile and laugh. Stay strong. In about 2 seconds, I want you to take it all in, to soak it, to ponder upon it. As I say, na enwurawmu na yentwaso. Anopay, asema omacho no brofo kasema, nye oka nyina ne se abrabo we ohun. Ema o reasons and answer sentiri mako 100 a esese usu and esese ema owura ehwo a share abrabo na nkasa say share life say one kasa a million reasons sentiri mako millions over million and plus intia obetimi asere abrabo na fi say bia o ma obe 110 reasons in fact say o ma obe 10 reasons say na be ya obesu na ora ho but wo be share abrabo say so o ma 10 reasons and then say wo obesu a wo be 100 reasons wo 200 or 300 or billion reasons intia obetimi asere na wo me wani age the bia ya ankrofo ka say life hard oh Obrando warabo. No cry abrabo no de enda fom. Enda fom akose ayese hwenemunwi no. Ya nkasa. O twen ya. Abrabo no na fom. Even ye mo kra na ye ni family responsibilities make family like ye nyan ware ye ni ayure ye ni ekunu ye ni ema na ade no we are not finding this easy o na imagine say bia bia wo kunu wo mkwala wo sa wo dwen wo mo wo yire I was sa wo dwen ho na a whole lot of responsibilities na say abrabo no so inside enkoyie ma wa oh man na ye din tough very tough. Now there's one thing I've learned. Me personally ne dey ade ba kwa mesua ne say abrabo ne ye din say den ampo on na oye wa o de hye wo chim say on ebeye na enu nti no o ma wani je wo sere o ma o renho o ma esu enkatakata wani so a automatically everything becomes brightened. Automatically bibia ye fine. Automatically bibia ye fine at the mount. Name say what the shower dream say, obra we de enkoyie mame. Obra we de me brother do. I'm sure and say ya na me de akọ woman. And ye say ya na odi ko wo. Bra, sister. Brother, say ya na odi ko wo. Asama wodi wano beka no ne wodi wadwen ebesusu no etimi eba muma. Yeah. So we just say you are a happy person now. We a happy person. And then ankofo bitimi ka say me extrovert, me introvert. No more can you more who they are and what they say no so is manifest ebom. Okaso ye introvert ni obeye bia chese o ye introvert. Oya kasa ye extrovert and baby a chase o ye extrovert. Enti abrabo na ye bon sa no hu. Ne wo beka ne wo bedwen ne wo besusu no. Eno so eye ho e de ma wo. It's up to you say one kasa no obe take it upon yourself. Now obe hu ni say no matter what, no matter your brain de beba, no matter the storm that will come your way no. Emfa ho ene the way a epo no esi ehuru o abrabo. Obesere, you smile, and you laugh. Pema when you achi, na nesano. Ena, ube say when you start from there, so start say free wana. Bibia eto turn akwemu, bibia eto turn akwemu toti edema. When life gives you 100 reasons to break down and cry, show life. In fact, show ni samia, show life samia. That you have a million reasons to smile and laugh. Stay strong. Show holding. Obada hospital. Yes, ko first kabi bra. When ni say sika no, o hwe bengumu hwe ni fa kra bona. That's ena there you ma 10,000 years kra na. Sir sika no kra ebeba. What be say but obi a obi bisa ni bia catch say they don't have omo nibi. What can you do? Obaka ko show ho akonfo ana. Na eba ne sada na oba na oda hospital no, what are you going to do about him or her? Make sure that you stay strong and pay. What's Coastal TV? As far as you can show and say, show holding. And then for one in a brabo way, a back can show and for home. Any reasons I hold up our brabo way at the bed mount, says soon, na ma realm hope. Shall brabo way say, oh, no, a lot more reasons. I say, Nediano, I don't know what me as saying one more in Yaji. Or shall say, BB, be fine. Coastal TV want to mix Jumede and I will so O'Shea channel no 514 Mr. Shenenso. Na your Facebook and yes answer our YouTube. He is streaming live ho. Patcho share the link. My comment our comment section no. Na like it. Yentie num kakra. Yemfa enchichi ere. Na yemfa and digest motivation stand up here abe. If you honey a bar, nyaka biya ya de besom. Ye basisia.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafa ngo no ena afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwakodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafa ngo wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo wapomoden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboy National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
Ray, go away. Come another little day. Little children want to pray. Ray, go away. Elayo has a tail. May has a big head and a very. May has a big head. May has. Aye. And you got to call. Ray, go away. Come another little day. Little children want to pray. Ray, go away. Elayo has a tail. May has a big head and a very. May has a big head. May has. Aye. And you got to call.
Mami sanso ama wakwaba Emra Coastal TV eso na ebre so esese yede kasebo no yede bre omanfo kasebo yi ensema obete ebi enese nadmo mpanyfo aye press conference kasa omukasa nyina efa nsuyiri ekoso ewo mfimfim mantam ha sanso na yebekọ eye health minister and I say health ministry no akache na health minister ne mpanyfo ade omani akiremu ewo mfimfim mamtam ha abotaye so omani asunya ne say omo be launche eye free primary health care no ewo mfimfim mamtam yewe so ebesan so akọ eye Musicians Union of Ghana aye twanitia efrene say musica na Father's Day omudi dwuma bi ebebo mu amane amomanfo ehu bi ebesan so akọ adwaman so na ye de floor price ewo ha hodo ni na so ye de ababeso mo maka ne sano na mesre se obeje akunwa na fe wetie kaseboyi ne enchiremu amafo ne mebe ya adwen se efiti eye weekend ya ebeidie nsuo no esifo mankasa atwa ma nsuo esi etwa na chese etoye enye se bia epetepete eto ankasa amfimfi mantem ya de miai bebre na eyiye bebi ti se okọ bakano a eyiwe ama edan po ebubuye ewo ho jejano edan ebubuye sanso na tantre edan ebubuye na ofa bebi ti se kotokraba Cape Tech UCC dia eni nsuo no eyiwe ankasa pedu ha ya mpo nsuo eyiwe chese yiwe eyiwe ne edan a ebubuye no so na chese Fofia Antoata ama nkrofo bebre nso na omo ho kan nkrofo bebre na omo hwe omo nkwa bebre na nso na esi ameno kazai omo da ayaresabe omo je ayarehwe wei na nadmo mpenfo eye mfimfi mantem ha nadmo ne nkrabata ewo ha sei penyin pa odi animu eye owura kwesi the wood ene ne mpenfo ebo omode efreference ntwefo na yekopie mu ho no so omo de omo no dinsem etudwa na omo ma ye impo figures are involved with nkrofa omasho omonkwa ene nkrofa omugugu ayaresa ene ne ebeya nadmo ene ne mpanyfo eka ache omanfo se ne ebeya obi anso ebebo no ho ban nso yi esifomi na nso yiri abai omanfo no so betimi abo omo ho ban afiri atorenchem biara eho
bia yegina susu bebia nsu akoko nkrofo fie wo hwe nkyɛnkyɛn da be hu mana ne bi krampo hata wanzema ahaya so no eka bia na dan na wall ebuyi a ekun ebi no so akbayo a o friend ruka ya we di 27 years no ahaya so na dan ebu ebo na ya ebusua na adofo ya hwe na yakopɛ ne korabio na admofo kan won yekoesie ni na yakopɛ ne korabio na wotwintemi no atoyenche ma ahoro esisi ne bi ye nsuyiri a nanu ye dzinse ma ye tai hu gwai ha na bi susu ye dana ebubu ye ahoro aduonum awotwe e wo finfin mantem ha bi susu ye landslide asase a e wo soro a eju atwe gufem akogata nkofo won dan so ko bu nkofo won dan gufem atrapo nyanom ebi so afemu ahwe won kwa ebi susu ye dua falling trees uko Winneba Kings and Queens Pub dua kesi ko bu bo ho uko Mankesima dua ko bu bo Cape Coast susu dua falling trees incidents also obandun conference falling trees incident ebi so ye drowning cases nsu a afa enuanom ma edo wonko na ni nemu no enuanom a wafa so ahwe won kra wafa hwe won kwa wo ye dua wotwe na dua wotwe no Cape Coast wona ne kesi ne fi enum no dan ne bu bon wona ewo wi na ekroso nsu na efa no ma wahwe ne nkwa uko mbia bere Pantiman ebi ye body collapse ebi so ye drowning uko Goma Central ebi ye body collapse Goma Jokwa girl bi dan bu bo no so Goma Jokwa amwewu ebi so ye drowning uko Upper Denchira West Upper Denchira East esikomodo bi mbra kwa mbia ho bebre a ni na so ni na ekoso so that yenchima hrowa yehu na watwi mo finfin manti na watwi mo finfin manti me sujiri I been see that now ye dina ye ebi so ye landslide ebi so ye drowning nsu fa nkrofo ebi so ye falling trees nipa nsu no sujiri no abe ha affect no wo ye impema watwe na number say 8,921 flood victims within this short period. Out of this 8,921 or so no one time bubu no nipa 377 na why internally displaced as say dodo na no akwetena ebusuafo na yankofo na somba na ahemfo na namahemfo wonche na wo pecho kakra kosi say yambe yen wadoma obenya bibi akwa hai dan ya na say bibi kakra ekoso na yehu say da bubu ni mo no yehu say Cape Coast ankotin no dan bibria entiapo no doso bibi na yen detida na abetida na sa afapo a we see be your finfio hara numbre won shedan ye maintenance pe bia bebi na so manso twa ho ti amama maintenance na ye problem until last year Cape Coast Metro nadmofo woni building inspectorate omahen osaberma Dr. Kwesi Atakan wo ye hyehyɛ akro bebre wo identify structural weak buildings ma ye siesie na be yi na ma ye ne hwe yi no de wombu na bebre na ba so director Metro director ma mbeka kra na me wo fa bi fi abrochi ba be hide na kwa kakra ya hwe wo say yendada nti issue 14 days evacuation order that man na what we been Asia wona ube film ni na wo ho son na won so so obeya asobrache no eno se nadbo na district assembly yakoko budan na kawe wo demolition wo bia no da man crofo na obetua da makao nko de anu ebre wo ho akedwem nti yesre abana ayi na femende ankra kosu gosu betima aboa sansa atoyenchem na brabo no adodo na weka bomde ye nti yesre adwuma wo aban na afa one corporate social responsibility no for one chair winning share nadmo central NGOs adwuma woni aban na afa asola soro presby parental relief self development SDF Adventist Development Relief Authority Agency Roman for Catholic Relief Services Red Cross Latter-day Saint for yetutun safra wo hina emwa bia wo bia won fambra uba nadbo metro director na team ho obeji no wo de ama enuano no uba nadbo region so a team ho obe receive wo de ama enuano nzema ye hia ne be food items e be non food items be bedding materials e be essential medical supplies e be so educational support Sunday do na wo Cape Coast no for na titru kwesi kwa pro ape wosika amamoma ho yina wo yesuafo wona wo saving bonkus amoya wo yina yesuafo one school books na di na nsu na teche wa se ni yina ntia wo books bi your student materials bi a eba na bebeji na ye dia ma victims na ya identify wo yina na za butuma ha wani menim no so butuma ha wani menim ya ni titru Ghana metu abon kokose nsu ne kese kra mana na oba nti yesre nnuano ma wo titi nsu ne nchanchan yina se wonkwachi ebu be hia se be papa se kwakwotena wonyanko bi ne nchen na kwesi se nsu no ebeba betu beko na besna basi so betena hanom na de bia na nsu ebese onema na wo hata na wo hro de na adbofo oba na ade envoa wona watempo ano so wonder won ho se titu be bima see defense enyan du ho no won so no won move nko higher grounds o sande atoyenchem ne ni enyan atoyenchem won muade atoyenchem ono ferobia atoyenchem betuma at any time yetufu na otia ebeboa o yetufu no wenti atoyenchem betufu atoyenchem na fotu so de ebi de owu ebi so de japade sei ebi de dem di na sikahwe na de ba yebe se nuanom yina se won se asupem na ma nadmo metro sub metro district municipal director be kan yina won se no won this pepe na you protect the lives and properties in the right direction.
Say free nadmo for akacha na yedieni echemu ewo asoya ehwe apomudin eso eye Ministry of Health na me no kasai eye panyimpa odi animu eye owura kwabna mita akando ene ne mpanyimfo abomoden edomoni achemu ewo mfimfim mantem ha botaya na esi omani so ane se omobe lanche ne aban aba be sha se eye friend se free primary health care no Openi edinkan edinani echemu na okosra MMDC is I ewo Cape Coast ananse mfimfim mantem ha no okasa no na ochem se free primary health care yi ebeboa pa sanse no mpo no ente se health insurance aye no esese wo subscribe esese wo bomodia na wo renew da bia ananse se abre no se na be ya obenya access to health care na momwe no ne ehia ne se wo kita Ghana card ana wo voters ID ana bibia echese oya Ghana ni no ubetimi enya wo chefa e wo sa free primary health care yi emu o san so echemu se eba no enhyehyaya ya beboa ma apomudin akoyie wo Ghana ha pa dia ene aban yi oye edwuma pa san se bibi se Ghana Medical Trust Fund no de edaswa eye edwuma a chese no se wo yare kase bi se cancer na woni hu sika na wo de beko ayare sabia sa Medical Trust Fund eno na beboa na mauska amotimi akwakoje ayarehwe sene se na efata osanso edekan ho se hospitals ahodo and also clinics and chips compounds ahodo ayewo mfimfim mantem ene Ghana nyina no ombebo modi se ombe bibi e friend se retooling machines ahodo ne ehia bia esese omudi edwuma ewo hospital and also clinic hono ema apomudi edimu no ombebo modi na omaye.
We have the free primary health care, we have the national health insurance, and we have what they call the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, popularly known as Mahama Cares. So these are all interventions in the health sector at the moment, complementing each other. None is replacing the other, but they are complementing each other. We think that if we hold them well and implement them well, What it means is that at every point in time in our healthcare, there's an intervention to take advantage of. Healthcare, properly so called, includes sick care, preventive care, and the promotion aspect. And so this is a comprehensive attempt to reset the health sector or the health delivery system from a sick care to a comprehensive health care. And so every country that has attained the universal health coverage has taken a deliberate decision to invest in primary health care. And statistics has it that 80% of our health needs is primary health care. And so when we get our primary health care right, it means that our system is good to go. And so the free primary health care is going to, one, remove the financial barriers. We think that it's a vehicle that will quicken our steps towards the universal health coverage. It is going to be free to the ordinary Ghanaian, but it is not going to be free to government, because government is going to pay. And so the curative aspect of the sick care will include treatment like malaria, diarrhea, respiratory disease, those ones. And the free primary health care is applicable at the CHIPS compound, at the health centers, at the polyclinics. So it has its own limitations. One of the differences between the free primary health care and the national health insurance is that whereas in the free primary health care it's applicable to all the 33 million people, you don't need to pay any money. All you need to do is to identify yourself as a Ghanaian. But in the case of the national health insurance, you must be a subscriber to the national health insurance. In the free primary health care, you see health professionals moving from house to house, homes to homes, village to village, mosque to mosque, churches, to screen people. What we are using to finance this program is the money from you and I. So we must put these resources to judicious use. And so we are here today to launch the free primary health care for the central region. And first and foremost, we are not rolling out the whole country at once. If you are rolling out such policies, you must roll them out in phases. So the first phase, we have captured 150 districts out of the 261. The ultimate aim is that latest by 2028, the whole country should be covered with the free primary health care. So in every region, we have selected the underserved regions, districts. And that is going to be part of the first 150 districts to roll out this policy. So ladies and gentlemen, when the health professionals come your way, when they come to your homes, let's welcome them well, because they are in for your health, your good health.
Health Minister Kwabena Minta Akando ne kasamuno na osanso ekyeremu se ba ne bibia friend say primary health care dia eye Ghana ni bia na so nipa bia wa asase su no o se ne nsa etimi ka sa free primary health care no esanso eno na beboa oman bia oman a yentimi enya health care se ne fata no sa oman no enko nanim na ba ne sanso na nema bebre etimi se nema bebre etimi etochima na nsem foforo nso a okaka ho eni.
Any government policy in your jurisdiction, you must own it and run with it. And so you as VCE or MCE must understand the concept, must understand the policy. And I have told all my regional directors that they must intermittently be briefing all regional ministers. And I have also directed the Ghana Health Service Director General that all district health directors must also be briefing their MMDCs. During the campaign, His Excellency the President promised the good people of this country that as part of removing the financial barriers, we introduce free primary health care. And it will be a vehicle to kick in our move to the universal health coverage. And when we say universal health coverage, what do we mean? We want to get to that destination, that point, where irrespective of your geographical location, your ability to pay, your level in society, you must have access to quality health care delivery. That is where we want to get to. And so one of the differences between the free primary health care and the national health insurance is that whereas in the case of the national health insurance, you necessarily will have to be a subscriber to the national health insurance. In the case of the free primary health care, you don't need to pay anything. You don't need to be a subscriber. All you need is to be a Ghanaian, to identify yourself as such, to have a Ghana card, driver's license, a voter ID card, a passport, to identify you as a Ghanaian. So with regards to the national health insurance, when we took office, the coverage was about 57%, and now we are at 66%. What it tells you is that there are about 11 million Ghanaians who are not part of the national health insurance. But in the case of the free primary health care, it is applicable to all the 33 million Ghanaians. Now, even with the national health insurance, it also has its limits. There are some diseases you go, they will tell you, oh, this is not captured under the national health insurance. And one of them is the cancers. And these non-communicable diseases, the diabetes, the hypertension, the cardiovascular diseases, the cancers, they constitute about 45% of our mortalities. So if you count 100 people, 100 deaths, about 45 of these deaths are due to or attributable to these non-communicable diseases. In fact, if you move the age upwards to the adult mortalities, the percentage increases. So His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has also established another intervention that those suffering from these non-communicable diseases will also take advantage of. And that is what we call the Ghana Medical Trust Fund Mahama Care. So the Mahama Care is not the same as free primary health care, and it's not the same as national health insurance, but they are separate policies and interventions complementing each other for the good of the ordinary Ghanaian. So as MMDC, you need to understand that you need to drive them in your respective district. You need to draw these health workers closer to you. When they are moving into the societies, their communities, you must be part of them. The assembly members, the unit committee members, the chiefs, the pastors, the imams. We must get to a point where when we go to the church, we may not open the Bible, but we will invite that health worker to come and take up the pulpit and educate us about non-communicable disease. That is where we must get to. So there's a huge allocation to deal with that retooling. And every regional hospital in this country will benefit from that package. Every teaching hospital will benefit from that package. And again, His Excellency John Dramani, and this is one of the reforms, we are determined to block the loopholes in the system where when the government buy this equipment and after the distribution, when the equipment are faulty or obsolete, you require government to come back and repair those equipment. We'll block that loophole. So government is going to roll out a special purpose vehicle in charge of maintaining this equipment, in charge of replacing this equipment. And that's going to be under a different management altogether.
Ora Dr. Peter Kwame Yeboah and so a Executive Director Emma Chak, Meche Christian Health Association of Ghana. Na okopie dwumadie no aseno na oche mu se in fact ade we dey bibia Christian Health Association of Ghana Chak for no mpo no omaso mo amoye ne dadaada na ogidi se we no so no ebeboa ama omanfo bebre na atimi anya ayarehwe papa e wo Ghana ha sei oche mu se free primary health care ye betimi agina ne nan so a na esese aban eye apomudin adwumayefo na nananom ye nyina ye edwuma abomu se na ebe ya omanfo a ewo nkrase omanfo a ewo achichi nso ombetimi ate ase no mahu mfaso a ewo free primary healthcare no so na obi ekwa yaresabia wahu ne ewo se okona okoka ana asema ewo se onkona onkoka na wetimi anya ayarehwe ewo ho.
The free primary healthcare for which we've gathered here is the source and summit of all health systems. It comes in with a promise and pledge, first to prevent diseases, to cure diseases, and then promote health and healing. And it is changing the paradigm of health service delivery in our country, where we are moving from sick care to comprehensive health care, bringing in preventive, promotive, and palliative and rehabilitative to one composite unit. That is the intervention we are witnessing today, and for which we are very much grateful. For CHAG, free primary health care has been part and parcel of our DNA, because for years we have lived in the communities. We have provided help and healing to the greatest number of people. Where we find despair, we bring hope. Where we identify diseases, we treat. And where people are neglected and underserved, we bring dignity and compassion. That's what CHAG has brought. And that's why in this region, if you want to find an active player that is complementing the government, look at St. Francis Hospital at Simfosu, CHAG is there. Our Lady of Grace Hospital, Remansikma, we are there. AFAM, we are there. So we are an active partner of the government, and for which we want to support this initiative so much. But as every intervention or generational project requires, we need three types of leadership. And the first one, we have it in abundance. The first one is political and policy leadership. And we are so grateful and honored to have our MMDCs here gathered. We often find them usually in their offices, but here we are having a conference, interface of health personnel. We are also blessed with the frontal leadership of our distinguished minister, who from conceptualizing stage to launching and implementation is visible and active, engaging all of us. Honorable, you're very grateful. The next leadership we need is probably far more crucial. That's the technical and professional leadership for which all of us are obliged to promote. We need healthcare professionals to take charge, leadership, and ownership of the entire program. Go into the community, translate the free primary healthcare into visible and tangible service provision. Otherwise, beyond the rhetorics and the best intentions of our minister and the government, we will not experience what the free primary healthcare is all about. We need leadership, technical leadership, to move into the community, to inspire community leadership. That's the third phase. Mobilize community, bring everyone together to appreciate and embrace what the free primary healthcare is all about. You are the champions of the free primary healthcare, and you need to build that social capital, which is trust, to move into the community and deliver the services. People will appreciate it when you communicate well and engage them. Move from household to household, homes, community to communities. That is what will transform this whole policy into a tangible phase. I say it is historic because in the 1980s, we only experienced cash and carry. In the 1990s, we pioneered and piloted community-based health insurance scheme. In the 2000s, we brought health insurance. In our generation, we have the free primary health care. That is removing all cost barriers, geographic barriers, and socioeconomic barriers. That this is one in-time generational intervention. Friends, I call on you to support this initiative. Health goes beyond the bounds of politics. We know the lessons and legacy of COVID. Friends, there's a quote that all of us will have to appreciate. It is said that being sick is bad for your health, but poor health is also bad for your wealth. Meaning that the free primary health care is supposed to ensure inclusion and diversity of all key actors. It is supposed, as it were, to ensure that all of us will have access to the highest attainable health care and to accelerate our common journey towards attaining universal health coverage.
Semfu from na meka wo se kaseboy etwagu ewo Coastal TV ya digital channel no so 514 yesanso ye wo Facebook na ye wo YouTube nti bo modern se obekọ ho na wa subscribe obe follow na efei wa share the link na ode amaye ye to so na ye kọ ensemfu from na ye kọ akopie mu ewo Musicians Association of Ghana ye twa ni TFN se musical na sese no Father's Day no de agi baby a obia celebrate ye papa no obia share papa no animonyam sanso na musical ene empanfo a ewo association ni mu abomodin aye Father's Day celebration strong kokra ede ama ye papa no ma omode share ye papa no animonyam na dwumadie yi eye Besa Simmons ono na musical the whole Ghana oye president na obepie mu ewo dwumadie no ase na first of all din kan ewe she ye papa no ene obi oye jebia happy Father's Day na ode na no disem so ede to aso
before Macabia, wish upon a happy Father's Day. Why come happy Father's Day? You come, Papa, uncle, Unyankum, Wunya, Unina, Benina, Ghana Susie, and yet Papa would say no show. One community, I want to perform when you know when you're a man in a bed. They wish you when you know happy Father's Day. If you so wish and you to follow way the garden happy Father's Day. If you are into my yaman, yes, someone who can check what to be a woman. Yet, you can walk a young woman. Yes, say young woman. From Papa, no wishing happy Father's Day. So send them what to be out of mine. Because we'll say you better in there, big happy Father's Day. And the music, yes, the end of crazy, yes, young woman, yet the young woman, your home boy, young woman, Mawaya, and then you shoot, whatever you have shot, the beginning, the musicians who when you and the way you had one base a lot. Central region music warrior, Mayor Kasa, chairman, minister, who had the musicians. Now, what a woman chairman, the music secretary generation. It's the way or if you send there. Also, Chairman, I would say to a guy, what's one would say to a guy, but it couldn't say to us. Then I have but maybe I know I am to me. You can hear him. We are enjoying music. And you could say that a troll you maybe I am on YouTube. On your music, it's more joy. We are on the music, or you man. Music, we have created with some radio stations. I will with one more interview. We will promote this year. Get music education account. How to perform live. Maybe the area was there anyway. When I want more live thing now, I rehearse with the band. Only one more longevity anyway. How to play live music. You want to make it rather than one airport music. It's for my there, or yet the word as well music. You will benefit apart from there, some two classes here, music over watching. Your passion, your life insurance. This is your music of Friday in the child's gather. So, you will contract for a while, and you be one time contract. You will definitely come up with money. And
Opena oda no to say chairman Emma Musica ewo infinfi mantama say I friend say Clarence Kenneth Ekon Peterson dodona enim ni say Kim P enso edena no disem etuja
this is the trial and Yakuban way and never be free if fathers know. And Musica as a musician union of Ghana Central Region. Yes, the new holy fire. Aid of our fathers. Say right there. Now Central Region. Young musicians or how young gospel musicians. I'm father for all. Hey, Roma. And pay you when they get paid. Over there. There's a lot of things they have. On the way.
As of paying Prophet Joseph Kujo Cole or no and head pastor Emma Holy Fire Revival Ministries a ho and as our Father's Day celebrations here a course na o churchim near Eja eye nini pa kwa bet me a friend say Eja.
Emma the Yamiasi, Mama Henita, and Mama Better there. It's and Charles in Philippa. It does Charles in Yamin. I am in over in Jabotica. Now, up and I put an assassin. No, my Henita was assassin. It's my message and there. What my engine, and into Master Major. Sunday, it does it. Or yet soon, I am a Homa, a century. Or you feel so, who no home. Some name, not sure they will say it. The master means Namas Sunday. And look at Jesus Christ, who will be no week today in God. Other no man, other Adasa. The Mara today. Say, Gabby, the no man. The man number, the name was Nam and saying Nara, we are Sibaya, yeah, Yetana, it's a Nomobia, it's a Biara, Abishapa, Yamisha, Medawas. Yamias Sano, when you're there, Yamo, I'm all say, it's an ambassador one. What was Libya, or Bolivia? One day now, to one to Madame was a matter. Therefore, by a country, you know, save every open I have a word today. You cannot lay us so. I rest in our Bibara, I put them. I don't want to say.
Yemfa yeni enhemu wo edwaman so na fe yemfa fuel prices ahodo a ewo ho no yemfa emrew ene 23rd of June 2026 intisa obomode na okopie mu ewo Shell filling station bia dia okasa woto petrol woto 1 liter ebo no 15 cedis 90 pesos sanso ena diesel no 16 cedis 99 pesos wo frames oil no petrol no 15 cedis 20 pesos ena diesel no 16 cedis 35 pesos wo JP petrol no 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 77 pesos. Na oko Zen filling station there petrol no bo 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel no 16 cedis 46 pesos. Wa Benab oil so petrol no 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 81 pesos. So ukopie mu Total Energies filling station bia so there petrol no bo 14 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel no 16 cedis 95 pesos. Na okobebi ti say Goil filling station so petrol no ne bo no ubenya for 13 cedis 87 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 95 pesos. Star oil so eton petrol ne bo no 13 cedis 85 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 93 pesos. Pacific filling station and so petrol bo 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel no 15 cedis 98 pesos. Samsung and a petrol so and mao petrol ne bo no 11 cedis 98 pesos and a fuel no me share diesel no 12 cedis 98 pesos. Way any filling stations ahodo e kan ho bi na se obomode na wokọ steadyrate.com a obenya na ode aye wa ho boa se ne be ya ho enkochew enne na eha na ebre no ebema kwan ema ye de Coastal TV Morning Mix kasebo no ye de ni nyina aba na wie na emom no Coastal TV Morning Mix no yeguso a ewo other programs other segments so ya hihya ye de ebro nti bobodi ase oni ye ebetina ha sei na ya jabwa for nkra so ye ba ne aka nyina ye beso so
Yeitaba Yachagaba Yeitaba Yachagaba Bye anyway ina ya dilmono Gakalika yeso ina ya sauma wanepe Bye anyway ina ya dilmono Kakalika yeso ina ya sauma wanepe Gano dende blasta so dende 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 Yeita mubi obaba na batene samia Ya chaga mubi obaba na batene samia Yeita mubi obaba na batene samia Ya chaga I be the man in the money, I need Jan in the money, I say Kofi in the money, I say Mojan in the money, Winter in the money, and Stevie Nappy and the money, Robert Mesa, goalkeeper number 1. The boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala, the boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala, the boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala, the boy, a beshe, Yensulo Bialo. Yeita mubi obaba na batene samia Ya chaga mubi obaba na batene samia Yeita mubi obaba na batene samia Ya chaga I be the pain in the money, I need Jan in the money, I say Kofi in the money, I say Mojan in the money, Winter in the money, and Stevie Nappy and the money, Robert Mesa, goalkeeper number 1. The boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala, the boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala, the boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala, the boy, a beshe, Yensulo Biala. Yeita mubi obaba na batene samia Ya chaga mubi obaba na batene samia Mubi obaba Yeita mubi obaba Mubi obaba Ya chaga mubi obaba na batene samia Mubi obaba Yeita mubi obaba so batene samia Mubi obaba Ya chaga
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Enti no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol anafango no ena afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko wumu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomodensem so fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe Emomo no aya fredum je dwumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano. Wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380. Kaise wunkwa wo hoyi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboyi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
we say we san so ma wakwaba na ye baba to adwumadie no so on say ye sha say bobo Ghana Black Stars nyom no sa na no so hu say the spirits of football is at work. The spirit of football is at work. Just say football na anyway if it doesn't pie it will jar. What you say? It is ana do. Na asana ye de newspapers and I said the one krata no ebe brew no public announcements bi o was say and sana ya to so we no every Public Utilities Regulatory Commission PURC. Na I say 2026 third quarter tariff review decision for electricity and water. Mpacho yenti ni ye pa na efa ye nyinam kane electricity ye use e na nsuo a ye use ne bo no ne e ba be no ne me ba be kan e ne be kire. Okay. Entikrata iba bonten 22nd of this month 2026. Now Ojemu said the Public Utilities Regulatory Commission wishes to inform customers or consumers of electricity and water that the existing electricity and water tariffs have been reviewed upwards by 3.49% and 0.85% respectively, effective July 1, 2026. Nyame adoma bosumi edi enimi a eba besimi July bosumi a eba besimi no eye electricity ene ensuo ebo ebekosro na electricity no ne bo ebekosro by 3.49% na ensuo nso ebo akosro by 0.85%. Nyame adoma bosumi a ye eba besimu ye na Kratai Watwasoka said these adjustments have been carried out in line with the Commission mandate to review tariffs on a quarterly basis to reflect developments within the quarter. Nti enema ebekoso ewo quarter biemu nti no yefa every 3 months enema ebekoso ewo electricity ene nsuo akwan mu no saa nyema no na PURC ehwe na omode say omode bonni baka ho ananso ombete so it can be anything. Okay, but afidie there this quarter ide omode eboni bi eka ho enti no ochem say the quarterly reviews track and incorporate movements in key operational factors which are beyond the control of the utility service providers but key in operating the services offered. Okay, these operational factors are the exchange rate between the Ghana cedi and the United States dollars. And see one reason and a reason ba ko a edikan ayanunti amasa ensesaye aba amasa eboyi eye insuo na electricity boy akosho no eye dollar rate no Ghana cedis against US dollars into dollar no kosho bebre pa nsi na amasa ensesaye aba ochem say domestic inflation rate na chese Ghana no ye inflation also akosho electricity generation mix the cost of fuel, mainly natural gas, to power the thermal plant. And you know, cost and sika obo say no generating electricity. Any sika or more essay ewo gas eso gas a omo de power or more plants or more machines or more ewo edwuma mu ho no. Eno ina ka ho. And I must say I me no ka say electricity. Any inamahode any nsuo bo no. These quarterly adjustments are undertaken by the Commission to maintain the real value of the existing tariffs, which would enable the utility service providers to remain financially viable and to deliver on their services to consumers while bearing in mind the impact of these tariffs on the well-being of consumers in general. Into a term say, in society, ama service providers no electricity service providers and insuo service providers omo edwuma ye no etimi akoye etimi asiye na emom no omo anti gina no kwa na emom gina no omo si na ehye omadwem omanfo eyedie ehye omadwem sanse me no mi ne etifie na se yenya insuo a wahala de yenka ne edum na se lighthouse dum so no ye ka se dum so aba eno so wahala de intini na ye nima omo hweye ansana omo de sa electricity tariff and water tariff eba betuja nzini na bibia omohwe nzino first of all make I say Ghana US dollar rate Ghana cedi US dollar rate no ana amasa de we akosho na ye toso biem inflation rate na toso biem price of natural gases na gas o mo de pompe o mo thermal machines ayo o mo machines no o mo nyisi petrol o mo nyisi fuel o mo nyisi diesel na mum no o mo nyisi gas natural gas into nembo no so akosho ana electricity generation mix like hydro and as thermal mix no and so ye bibia akosho pa ntino ana ama sa nsisan bebree abe ntino we ye public announcement too ye nyina obia enhye ne so no hu say no okwa akoto electricity to prepaid a now wo de sika no bia ka ho se first now to 50 a bo media se bia beto be 100 sane be ya ebeboa udwumadi mu na enkofo ha bia enfamrel nti pojo yenna yenhye ne so sa na yemfanye yahomboa se ne se na efata all right eno ne public announcement I wo ho nti no yento aso na yenko ene de ubonkrata no nsema ode aba no emu na yemfa eno so ensom yen etiefo yemfa the Ghanaian Times emfa chase yemfa the Ghanaian Times emfa chase na semenyo ene yerinchi emfoni edda hase na ojom say historic World Cup clash. Can Black Stars tame the Three Lions no the England? Sorry. Three Lions no the me say funny video bi anka na pay ye download ya mamo no. Nipa ne so dae o so dae na. Dae ni mu no. Na go bi a England a hye no. Ni yem hye no na akoma bi ete no. And this story all of fun. But yes, and each no I say no. God reveals to redeem. It's when you show you or diamond there. It is over. It is a trouble yes to him. And then no all roads, all roads. And every support to be a Ghana biano. Ye de ma Ghana Black Stars. Inim say ye Nyankopon na doma bibia ebe fine omodi nkunim de ebe brega na for na last ebe won say last Black Stars beje cap no ebe won it go shock you a lot of one bedwe won won say ase go back for no so bedwe won omon say ase and it is sad to say Ghana has strong potentials for job creation. World Bank and Ekasa say omo share Ghana ye wo what it takes ye wo ne betimi am ya create jobs e wo Ghana e nyuma bebre e begba e wo Ghana has a World Bank and Ekan Central Region flood kills 18 displaces dozen and it's in 15 months hanko a insuyire a afa nkofo no ngofa ahwe omo nkwa efa sai isuyiri no omo makoma edu moche 18 iba makoma 18 and omo nkwa ahwe omo because of this flooding issue in Central Region enra me betina ha na make kasa bebe na mo fi se kasa na yeme na make na ma main details am medua na medi na ma main na make kasa da keke ni mom no very serious 18 people and they all because of this flooding issue Fiti nsuo hia se etoi nipa makoma 18 na ewu omo a nsuo no etu omo afi omo fie mpo de enye ansam kito mpo na make achew yo nipa bebre na nsuo ebubu omo dan nipa bebre na nsuo akọ omo fie nipa bebre na nsuo asese omo japade a ese amino ka say omo ni ayo omo totonto mo hu bebi omo fo omo tirimfa Anone amaneba and the Ghanaian Times Adiaba. Suspend rent increases or face illegal action. Acting Rent Commissioner warns hostel operators. More hostels. School power who do be now. Mo de emma rent na why margin say mo pese mo increase rent no. Acting Rent Commissioner. Esi emphasize anka iboy emfama mo say sa rent increase na mo pesa mo ye no mo ntwen sensen anya sa so pa de a emra ene mo bedi eno ne nsema ewo ho ewo the Ghanaian Times mame found the insight and pay US military the lies and hidden cost against the real budget for larger than reported Man proposes international scientific initiative on reparatory justice and slavery legacy. Into no obi so na Macron proposes international scientific initiative on reparatory justice and slavery legacy. Tini na bibia towards the reparative justice na abi before anase bibi mine ye hwehwe yankasa ye President John Dramani Mahama otu ho anamon ne edikan se ne be ya slave trade na ye ko mu sometime ago na ye na enya ye pe but ye ko mu no ye benya ehon empata SIC Insurance rolls out electric vehicle fleet, eyes nationwide solar expansion in green transition drive. SIC Insurance and so juma de bia ebeboa ma ye de electric vehicles edi juma e wo Ghana ha say pa na omusan so omoni so edi hunu say ebeju mmebi no solar energy ebe use solar energy e wo Ghana ha say nti o be expand omu solar system no any green transition ni na is because person bibi e friend say green transition e wo Ghana ha say e ka say bibi e greener at the core air fresh, at the core healthy, at the core no boa for human development. And no any bibia equals to SIC Ghana. Now here to also the insight one now I say Care Ghana calls for Ghana card as sole voting ID card. Inti and you could be a chomuti FM mo say Care Ghana and more fresh say Ghana card no enye carda enunkwa ena yede beto aba yemfa Ghana card no emfa ento aba nti enunkwa na ye card a ebetimi a chese o ye Ghana na onye Ghana ni na yemfa enunkwa nye bibia ebetimi agina so ema obi ato aba ewo Ghana ha say okay yento so ewo ensem fufuro mu so the Hawk newspaper ada ha say o say NPP rebels demand Kennedy's head before 2027 showdown. Now we know, and that's what we demand the head. That's no person more there be NSA. Name no, Kennedy, Japan. Na say mo nse be a oka say MPP for a kana. Omo be kana sempe. Omo beto omo samiano because obe reveal omo secret na ato mountain so no. Eno na MPP for be so. Eso money abreko like eso say. Me would me omo demand for the head. Into no omo tine so change ma me kan say yeah. Into no omo ye demonstration power so enya ye nya break or abonten so de no na ebi nemu omani abre e wo ken eso nemu sa na etie e wo ha say ma mentor so IGP sends crack squad to Nkwanta, special unit deployed as tensions flare, residents fear for safety. This is so called Nkwanta IGP ascende the special force bi enso so omokodi djuma e wo ho esanse ensensem bi e koso wo ha e ma security e ho nsem enkoyie e wo Nkwanta enti ne IGP ascende nkofo se omoko na omoko tusa ne manyina ase. All right. Energy reforms driving industry and trade. John Jenapo ena Orchre said energy eye nyina mahoden nsem ne eka ka na ni na aka bo my friend say energy no na the way esi koye no eboa pa e ma se ba no ye industry ye dwadie mu ni ade na eno so e koye pa e wo Ghana ha say gold board wins gold in London. Gold board wins gold in London. World gold giant threw weight behind Ghana reforms. Okay. Interno so ne ade papa bi epiem e gold board e just say ye gold na say ne ye process ne ye de kọ ejoman so be say London no boa pa san say kofo be ehu the way esi kọ na omo support tie ye Ghana gold board no ye nhihye ye ayeye wo Ghana ha say no omo de tie ye echi. The patriotic press a patriot and a patriotic me who they Patriot Press. Okay. Patriot Press newspaper. Now Ocho mu say flag bearer for NPP ba omianfoni e da ha say no say a new team to back to the leader. A new team to back to the leader. Bawumia unveils powerful post-2024 team in major NPP reset strategy. The NPP amanyoko no reset agenda na omo so carry out our team no no. Omo reveal new team for kwa eba beboa amanyoko no ama omo nyema omo campaigns omo hyehyɛ omo tote ombeye before 2028 ebeba ama elections aba no ni na ebesi ye ewo ho eno so den sem bia ekoso ewo ho. Bawumia appoints Chairman Sabonsu as Chief of Staff as he restructure his office. They say no Chairman Sabonsu na be Chief of Staff ama MPP and I say Bawumia ni campaign team no. Ano ni say bia ewo ho. Say Patriot Press no or dey a lot of MPP things abaha. Okay, ni na so ye bibia ye din kan aka ho asem that means anso ensi so biem. Means anso ensi so biem. Ai means anso ensi so biem. All right. Newspaper beni we dey asem hu da e say friend no Osimpam Daily Mail yo na ohwe enyim ha na odin sem bebe enegu ha say first one clergymen invoke heavenly blessings upon Osahin for church instrument donation na we asofukuo bi na omasa Nyankopon nsem nhira ne nadom ama Osahin esansa ode church instruments bi ababe che asori no. NPP leads NDC with 90 NPP leads NDC with 49% support APL tracker. Into no when so ye poll bi a ekọ so na omuchema e say no NPP for again public support na support no hwa nyo omudidi NDC for no anim no mako 49% support. Okay, na metwa so ewo ha say ya akofina late Safo Kantanka Neba Berma Kwadwo Safo, 2 others arrested over Adra Safo shooting. Into no weekendi na Christo Asafo omobo omodin na omusi akofina omusi na dia so say no new leader for Christo Asafo ene ono si na eba bedi anim na Safo Kantanka group no wahwa so ne ade ene kopie mu say shooting incident bi ekọ so a chese o hwe car na onakasa ne nua ba Sarah Drasafo etena mu no a utimi bullet holes bebre or cars no what just say window no mu kra mpo no ye fire directly into the car. It means that nipa kwa or to sa etu no na target bi say opese okunipa eno no ema etu ni bi ekoka Adrasafo che say kan na so an sa da emoja ne ade de ko pie mu e wo hospital na oja yarehwe ne ade eno na police front so di omani edi echi no omakọ akọchi Safo Kantanka ne ye de ni si ade so ankasa meche akofina ene nipa mienu bi a omoka ho already nobody kan ache private security na omo tututu ohun adwuma wo ho no madi kan ache omo na makomako 6 madi kan ache omo na sese nso arrest ni bi nso akakaka Kwadwo Safo ene nkofo mienu bi a omoka ho esan Adrasafo shooting incident na course no eno ene ne ekoso ewo ha say the daily guide newspaper enfanto so na UTAC strengthens strike over welfare issues. When it is coming, it is doing eba na ye na sese me no ka say UTAC almost say omoko strike UTAC so omoko strike. It's and some welfare issues be a enkoso na enkoye ntino omo pese omo de omo tools omo treatment na ebu from na omo ye strike kese pa yo na Adrasafo insam no so ewo ha daily guide say inside story na kasa ewo daily guide bomodi na hwekrata ni bi na kan. Okay, NDC renames headquarters as JJ Rawlings House. NDC renames headquarters at JJ Rawlings House. Until last week, Yamamoti has said NDC, I want you to know, omo rename omo headquarters. Na omo pese omo 2 din for Emma headquarters na omo pese in memory of the late Jerry John Rawlings, in memory of him, you know, and the birthday so airby omo pese omo di ni din eto headquarters no eso. It is no Oma ayes answer sign I say no headquarters and whatever name that was called, but they say no NDC headquarters. Your friend said JJ Rollins house. It's JJ Rollins efie enu no. I just say pemfeni I want to say omo a very bast bi krampo e de esi ho omo de e kai JJ Rollins ne ade. Okay. Now I don't want to try no so when someone has say or say investigator details how 49.1 million Ghana cedis moved to private accounts. I am say be ekoso. Me tin say bi sa na men sono nyinara eyamia. But details no e wo the daily guide. Nya bi na kan ya beboa. Tension rocks Bantama NPP over electoral album. NPP primaries no nsanzan bi so ayiniti e wo Bantama hono efa no electoral album ni say electoral album yemfa ne sa electoral album eno so na nsanzan bi ekoso e wo ho e wo Bantama me no kasai. All right. Ebusa from Pacho menya ho fear ha say ya chese about I don't even know I'm talking too much. Our boy me newspaper no ntino obe take over. If I not say
I'm not when they anu be ho efe pa.
Me da se akeka. Is he over sending this car na say?
No person.
Oh, I hear now.
Just drop.
I'm dropping my account.
Drop your account.
That's what I like to hear.
Drop your account.
Mate. Na a coincidence. And I send you into your country.
That be traffic here. A quite
it's so flood Diana.
That be but I am muddy. I am
okay. So we are now some boy. Okay.
Ebe
na da ben.
Ebe.
Che me catch you since you we eti ohun. Na say e kwan no so we na bibia go back to normal. Ye nyinara. Ye we be fisi bibisi.
I'm just hoping to say in share to pay or more bear they are taking notice of everything.
Yeah, we hope so.
Just so that when the period is over, raining season here over.
It is no. So put them be higher. At this time I was sure at this time now baby and so any baby and so even at this time now flood na cost no.
Wo se wo na we landlord unim say e dan na we sim nsuo to a eta flood why we ehu bia enye yi so bi e beje wo dan no se obehan a obema na ya we say situation say na e wo ho
nyamie nim no kre yen ka no kre if yeah kind in a business wise like business sense a me menka ene no kre na me ka business is business there's no way I'm ever tell me a phone yama make catch you say hey phone you can battery ni new phone you can charge at 3 minutes per na battery no akolo there's no way I'm I'll let you know.
So which is which? What can you mean?
It's me call business oriented side no solely business and patch me can show but say me a Christian ni na yakopon ti ni na me dey nyame asem so a make catch you say me patch we no mama fan show ase ha no nsuo tai ha adwen ene say fladio e ha adwen nti no wa odwen ho na still na wo pa ebetimi aka ho ase but nsuo ne ha adwen bia wo ba opebre na bia nsuo na ha adwen sa no maka show wo at this time you should be preparing yourself say unye wa na obeyi free dan mu say then your landlord told you
nti so say no say yes say no being a patriotic Ghanaian. Because you are causing loss.
I'm not breaking.
You are not being truthful.
I'm being truthful. I just told you that
and then you lose a potential customer.
It don't matter as long as I'm being a Christian. But if I'm being a business person, then I'm not going to tell you. If I'm being a business person, I won't tell you.
You're
giving up on me.
I'll give up on you this morning.
Okay. All right. Yet to us the for the spider. To us we are now the feed also the day at us. Okay. The spider. I say Unspoken Voices project launched to transform lives of Kayaye and widows. Indeed, there's a project via yatu nidin say Unspoken Voices project. No, a babebwa ema niema ya Kayaye for ekom, niema ya ekuna for ekom no sa ensem no bibe babonten ama se solution bi wo so a ya pet solution se ne be ya enkoso. All right. Bantima asemi medi kanaka. Adam Brobe finally gets a chief as Mickey Osei Bekon chickens out. Oh, okay. Inti when susu ye ahensem bia na ekoso ewo Adam Brobe ewo Mickey Osei me sure say me nipa bebre na enim no oye very popular actor. Na onu obi na ye twema mentwe ewo akunya no ho na se ye che say where that spider you see and say chickening out na che say when timi anya kukudo engina na watwe no ho din fumkom din ama se no omasi obi foforo ade so to say as ohene of Adam Brobe edin no ambo ne ya mesremo ya momfa ncheme. Father's Day, Dr. Julius Deborah urges men to embrace faith and perseverance. Not as a Julius Deborah a Pentecost near sorry ba. Na ochemu se emema ya papa nom ye janom. In fact emema nyina no. Obi amomodin se odi gidie ene perseverance ye kan choose. Entonkoso. Odi be edwuma. Intino. Mpacho o show I can fancy dictionary na no show perseverance. Fancy na tree me okay it's no nsem bia ekoso ewo the spider newspaper. All right Dolphin of Fabi sort me uncle okay.
July 1st hike. Power 3.49%, water 0.85%. The Public Utilities Regulatory Commission has announced an upward adjustment in electricity and water tariffs. Nyameboa from July 1st. Yen insio yen electricity omatutumu. Power no electricity no it has been increased by 3.49% and insio so has been increased by 0.85%. Inti eno na wa share what taking notice of it dear July 1st in Niema and senya na 1st no ya tutu nsuom ene chini kaka say nyinem kania yes inti but get ready for that. Okay, Yanfa the Chronicle and Swaso Safo Akafona in police custody. Emsafi bamte sena oka eho asem na etuo ni niamaniama omwa sizi woni fie me so mo koye search bi woni fie na etuo ni niamaniama omwa kosi enti ni no de yede bisa me bi we. And then what public position does he even hold? He doesn't have any public position. He just ne papa ne djuma mu na oye something there, but he doesn't hold any public position. Because mostly public figures, politicians, they are the normal say, yeah, security wise, no, they lead a lot of security. But then for, okay, maybe he's maybe an idea. Maybe or they born home by who knows. But even that's no, it doesn't call for a tour. What are you using it for? It means that and I say out of all the guns named no bakupe ena ya register when you demonti ya can illegal very illegal. Okay, for the National Enquirer and Swaso Mahama tributes Rollins afibawa kan wasem deda omo anemi headquarters no after Rollins NDC headquarters after Rollins. Ba mi hu baby say na Rollins idea omo ye say omo de bibi anano as omo de ompese omo de bibi eto no so a na on pene yeah me kra me TV bisa that's who knows maybe he's not here to defend himself. Well, he's no more here, auntie. He has played a very pivotal role in Ghana's history and democracy. Invest in your children's moral future. Julius Deborah, we're very sure say Father's Day celebration na a course and untina or make such statements as fathers, as you are instilling discipline into us, into your children. Ensure that say on the moral aspects, that is right from wrong. Yes, that one too. No? You are giving your children the necessary education and teaching guidance they need over there. NPA donates essential supplies to Accra Psychiatric Hospital, NPA, National Petroleum Authority. Yes. Donate very essential items at the Ama Accra Psychiatric Hospital na omudi etimi edi omujumedi no eyi afiba.
Yes, mentu aso ewo the archives. Mentu aso say bantama asem no makantimi zanso enkan biem. Iyoko investigator drops bombshell in Adubuahin's trial. Reveals no cyber defense system delivered despite 49.1 million Ghana cedis spent. Okay, it's no medical can was under the but we know or chim say Sikana or more EGS and come de creates technology and sense me do in our bay. On one age you want first of all, Sikana Swire. It's details no, I feel now about bunting. It's a bombardier say obekanbi. Violence in Chira Patrodina no I'm boy nana. In Chira Senior High School, students brutally slaps junior over missing phone as SHS indiscipline worsens. Minya headache. In
some people, a lot of indiscipline. A lot. Now, even in the first place, taking a phone to school, your name say very illegal.
Oh, so say the mama crying.
Now say, mama crying.
Oh, so say mama crying.
Oh.
I'm
thinking say because illegal in the first place, crown. Say nipa na you shouldn't make it so public. Cause usro. That's say
no. Me no me time no. And na phone illegal nti no phone your account me empire. So say there and collect me at the phones class. All in the name of they are doing research.
Because you realize that tired a lot of TikTok videos in their dormitories. I remember back in school, my school, you can't even post yourself in your uniform. Monday morning, this face. Even visiting cry or parents abandoned, they're not expecting you to be using
Hey, Archbishop Potter.
So what is going wrong?
A lot of things have changed in the educational sector. Me say, I was never in agreement with corporal punishment. Like you see kings, I don't know. Because somebody like me, a kings now man you maybe means me in your school. Because you be shame, you be booming, until you mean you cry. There are lots of subjects I know many gym because kings no doors means me and me say home accounts. Because you pretect instead. French. Hey, Mr. Ahin. Ready. Me say me fan show Mr. Ahin. Mr. Ahin guan kasa. But na me pe home accounts. But man because you drawings. Hacksaw blade near the nkwa na me kai sisi ani aka nyina me kai. But anka me home accounts anka be one. But because of Kings intimate me. So me ankasa I've never been in support of corporal punishment. But I also believe that say corporal punishment if you are that's not the only form of punishment me a dear students no. Yewo memfa ye enye comparison but ma memfa nka asem yewo abrofo omfa amma enka omon nkola. Na emom no hardly and I better say in a school ya bo lecturer bi and ya bo teacher ni bi hardly because nemo bi o bia no there is a punishment senye corporal mpoda punishment eka ho but ye die no asa esu ehunu ene su atra so aba be ka ho you see yes me mbo akwara no ntino punishment utimi and maybe because we SHS on so one of these days you can see you call SHS on na yakwa ye let's say a special edition like an SHS diary or something and ka be hu nema your course you can't punish a students or punish no call nye
punishment is done but then I think using the cane on a student.
Not only the using the cane, no. Now a lot of things are so they are not. There's not other punishments. Say students are different because we say omit media because of research purposes. So they are allowed to go with their phones.
And in schools, no more need ICT centers.
Some of them are lacking anyway. Some are lacking.
Big 2026. That's sad. That's sad.
So it's making a lot of things go on in the schools.
Let's just cry. No major punishment. Ado.
Maybe scrabbing. But it's helped a lot of us because hey, I don't want to migrate to the cane section. I'd rather take scrabbing.
And I'd rather take scrabbing.
Next time.
Akasha
ni ye won san won na wudidi na say wo ti akasha no next time but we ti ase nsem ye den from the adona you would understand. So yeah, but obi na wa hwe no yonko ani so all because ne phone ayira and ohun is say junior student no and na afa ne phone ana ye nim hu bi ntino wa sinani so ne enti say but ni na so say nye teacher ni on students involved violence. Ye kontokwa entokwa kon wo school mu senior high school anka ma yenjai ma university for no ndo omo nyinyin they be kan say omo na but we mo ye bu mu so mo yenkwala they are still minors na minors engage in fights e wo schools so very very serious and sure that should be yemu ye yenkwala be call go back for no ho amo ma kwa question because what is this enya crack. Okay. Corrupt citizens are termites. Let's smoke them out. Togbe Afezi. XIV then 14th. The 14th and now Okasa just said Nkofa omoye kataseshe ni dream media organa say corrupt citizens no. Omo to say kakalika. Omo to say cockroaches. Na omo to say ukra. Nti na wo say ye di wisie ye pu omo wisie omo ba won say ye yi omo eho ntoma. And only some Togbe Afezi, the 14th, ho asem ever has say. It's where the archives.
Okay, and for the daily graphic and so Ghana, England, dear. I mean, yes, was a meeting cliffhanger. And on England for Nana.
Daily graphic,
Match no and the time being
8. I left it 8
PM. Oh, I didn't say the matches in your question. Remember, is
Ghana time no. Abroad time no there. Abroad time is it? Are they more than us or they are behind us? They are more than us, right?
It depends.
It depends.
Yes. But then I say, any England match, no, a lot of conversations popping up around it. As a Ghana force to England for are they that good? As for me, a very good though. Me baby, obviously they are not expecting Ghana to win this one. They just want to rep Ghana, wear the t-shirts, jerseys, and then we are good to go into England. Mama fan the personal, a friendly game na money no. Oh my God. Mama fan the personal.
See me, I'm not underestimating Black Stars in any way.
Okay.
Look at Panama. What happened in Panama? I didn't born and go for young boy. Charlie, the ball was on us. Nobody see us. So. Me see me share from clean to crank, so I saw the pressure come at say course ban. Bonnie see so to send a Panama be shiny, but last man share Black Stars.
I share for intina the way air kai say underlining conditioner. Yes, remo mamu kotina mu TV. Echi se mo share Ghana match no. As much as this is
not being fair.
No, I'm being very fair. I'm being very fair. I'm really concerned. Say underlining to prevent, lady onya hearts.
Okay. You get it. Celebration.
You get it. But then this is not the first time I had to say Obi pass it out because of share Ghana match. Into yes, we think so much about you. Ghana match more underlining conditioner. Yes, sir. My my mama in Kofono more akomano, or Monko Shembra, na omo abema your friend is scores and narrations no. Yes. Floods claim 18 lives in Central Region. Flooding, Semia, Kukosi, Cape Coast, a lot of buildings, air collapse, people are dying day in, day out now. Numbers, no, I could do 18. Is this accurate?
Yeah, it's accurate.
18.
It's the whole of, and Cape Coast, but the whole of
Central Region. Okay. NDC names headquarters after violence. Yen share the daily searchlight. Disaster in Central Region. Okay, we saw Eka in Nipa 18 na or more efrimu due to floods na ACCCC. It was Central Region. Kwejo Safo family rejects Akofenes leadership bid. Safo Kantanka Nebusiano MSA. Ebimone Omonya adwen se omode neba Akofena ebedi papa no adie. Electricity water rates up again. Just as I mentioned earlier, Senya Midi Kainkai no. From July 1st, in water bill any electricity bill no ebe cost renti eno na waye ahomboa for eno. Interior Ministry suspends Kantanka security services. Okay. NPP eases nomination process as server delays force temporary waiver on proof of payments at collection stage. Afiba, MSA. Papers no. Asa.
Na me hwehwe
ebi wo honom no.
Na me hwehwe a friend saying women in leadership nanka.
And then so mamba.
Omamba nti say this here. Me hwehwe see the oh. Okay, so that's it. Okay, nti ashafo na we ni the one krata na yensa kan ya ye de abramu no. Nti no da bia na ye be momode ase ye be ni sa e de amamu nti bo momode ase oni ye betina Coastal TV morning mix, morning hot, morning mix. Jumedie and a ubuso a ocean no channel no digital 514 and na yes so your Facebook and yes so your YouTube. Ti bomodi answer ube follow your channels no ube subscribe ube like ube comment ube share the link na yetimi a grow Coastal TV family no amana ye kase e kwapem se ebe ye kase pa nti anope no yeguso a ye wo ha se a maka cho se ne Tuesday ni de ye bedi eposo nkomo ebedi apofo nkomo ebedi enam ho nkomo nti bomode anse wonyi wafidie no emfi Coastal TV yenhwa ye ho na yenje aboafo nkrato ne ye ba na aka do so ye de baba be so mo.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho agwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so ohua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone e wo apomeden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so kitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuel tank bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpo a hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
Move. Abedimpo. Yeah. Fisheries Commission. Kanu Council. Aiko. Kwame Kofi Kinata. Nyame no boni wiase. No boy pu besi na numu nyame ina. Obosu kwe yuru eben ekan sa follow anje na umo. No bobo nso kese nara. Senior man. Falfu benye sika oyepui. Ya bori na ma oyensi. Eto na chinam epuyala. Sunday. Sikenyi bi no nyi pese munkuminya. Obiala le hwehwe mana kubinya. Ti wale epui ma wo pebiala. Inti ene puya mo sayeli yeni. Da chinchili ma wansu walibe wabeyeden Inti ene puya mosa yeli yeli Bisawende Da chinchili ma wansu walibe wabeyeden Light ya do kopu ni yenge Dynamite ni yenge Kabay dinu so yenge ne tinki ni yenge Sikaya blente ni yenge Kalari no yenge, woman yenge. Canada Tuesday fish in the yenge. So close season number. Yamba na manumber na one to na $1 from Nayanalo. What's your American? Western, Central, Greater Accra, Volta, East Coast, Kokulobite. You got my file for one free. Aba sisirimum Dabunum mi pa Didi preko denke yemfe ye didi da na Sisirimum Dabunum mi pa na Didi preko denke yemfe ye didi da na Fate fone se Mara won't be a child pa Nazima se Fale buzo na she pa le For that obe olela ejiji pa Niga me ukage Ubi wana ekweche pa Wapo Kama ganshona Jai so aluwa unsho mi Te a fitelu wa ibola Ke ufoya no le ya ke bola No balu Ganshona Jai so aluwa unsho mi Te a fitelu wa ibola Ke ufoya no le ya ke bola No balu Ibalu Langana ibalu Ibalu Langana ibalu Tata iti Galaba Tata iti Galaba Tata iti Sije yina brabo Galisuwawa Sije yina brabo Galisuwawa Sije yina Mama nam kakama no kwande wunyi Na wana nubi na baya shaka Semi Light ya do kopu Dini yenge Dynamite in the yenge Kabay dinu so yenge ne tinki in the yenge Sikaya blente ni yenge Kalari no yenge Woman yenge Canada Tuesday fish in the yenge So close season number Yamba na manumber na $1 from Nayanalo Napa Geta Tunafo Inshofu, Sefcon, Mofad, FCWC, SFNP, NAFTA, Ayiko.
My name is Nafolekwe, Minister.
Move. Abedimpo. Yeah. Fisheries Commission. Kanu Council. Aiko. Kwame Kofi Kinata. Nyame no boni wiase. No boy pu besi na numu nyame ina. Obosu kwe yuru eben ekan sa follow anje na umo. No bobo so kasinara. Senior man. Falfu benye sika oye pui. Ya bori na ma oye si. Eto na chinam epuyala. Sunday. Sike nyi bi no nyi pese munkuminya. Obiala le hwehwe ma na kubenya. Ti wori ye pui ma wo pe biala. Inti ene puya mo sayeli eni. Da chinchini ma wansu wani be wabeyeden Inti ene puya mo sayeli eni Nisonde da Odem aba sisiri mum Tabunu mumi bi pa Edidi prekonding Kinka yemfe yamu ashe omi Pe a fe tell wa ebola Ke ufoya no le a ke bola no balu Shona, joy so I won't show me. Pay a free tell why Ebola. Pay for ya no le Ebola no balu. Ebalu, Tangana Ebalu, Ebalu, Tangana Ebalu. Tata iti, galaba, tata iti, galaba, tata iti. Sije ina brabo, galisuwa, sije ina brabo, galisuwa, sije. My man, I'm Kakamano Kwano winning. Now, when I do big now by a shark. Semi light, I do for food in the end. Dynamite in the end. Carbide in the soul, think it in the end. Sikaya blent in the end. Kalari no woman Canada Tuesday fish in the end. So close is in the bar. Yamba na menembele na wantu na wawona $1 from me na lo. Napa, Geta, Tunafo, Inshofo, Sefcon, Mofat, FCWC, SFNP, NAFTA. Ayuko.
My name is Nafolekwe.
I was saying, I'm saying, I'm about Coastal TV morning media na uguswa wo na makacho say ene ebedi afare for enkomo ewo efia say na ye de etu ye ho fo na ne tene say close season no enche say ebeba ne sa na emra ye wo mu ya nso no binum so ahwe mo de ase na ye pese ye hu say ofarini anaso se obi ye eposo adwuma na yenya eto eponimu yenya eka se close season no aba na se omo nkwa adwuma because in say most of the coastal areas no adwuma omo ye pa nkofo omo wo ho no pa no eye eposo adwuma na so omo chenam nti se close season nya ba na se nipa ko onkoma na adwuma obeye no eno na yesi won fangu ho na break akra mremu na what next edien na ewe chire edien na ewe chire anopai ye ne eye Dr. Isaac Ochre ebetwetwe enkomo eye UCC Department of Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences ono na oye senior lecturer ewo sa department hono na ene ye ne no ebedi nkomo na yehu kwan ebefa so a se close season no eba echire no nima bia ye fisherman anso ye nanom ne ye janom afarefo ebitimi aye na omude abo ho in terms of omo economic and say omo finances no nima omo ebitimi aye nti no ye no ebetwetwe nkomo e wo phone so na wama ye advice kakra na ansa na no ye pese yetie eye nkoma ye ne doctor ediye efa eye innovations ananso se enema foforo abefo niema ebetimi afa so na yaye eye epusu adwuma ya chenam ewa bra enkofo how bia emfama apart from the fact say e was ye jai niema boni ayede ekọ epusu ne ade no e was ye hwe the other side nso ekwa ye befa so ebetimi ama epusu adwuma no kra aye nika ye fe ama nkofo na nkofo nso timi ede omo ho agim nti ye hwe technology ene epusu adwuma no ne daache the way a ebetimi akọ nti no mebe se ye be hwe nkomoba ye ne doc edi ye no no eboy ye be hwe bi na afi yekoba na ya frɛ doc na fe nso waboaye ama yen ma ya afarefo yetimi ameki decision etimi esigina ye efa no close season no echi no nema bia ebetimi aye beboaye ama yensa etimi akoya no nti no yentie nkomobɔ ne bi ye ba na fe ne wo ho no ye de ato aso na yesanso live and colored ewo YouTube bomodin dasebre bomodin se obekọ ye socials ne so na wako share link no e dia mo obi ebia na obi ehia sa video yi a ebeboa ne pa imagine ebi opese osi no otimi esi no asini ye eye wo share no share a wo be share link no e dia ma nkofo no e na ebema nipako no enya sa amoa no nti bomodin ase wo be share link no on Facebook and on YouTube na o comment nso amaka cho say ja comment section na say ye be kinkan temwaye oha ye de ebebro nti yenyina ye nhye no nso ena Tuesday ana so ena ebunada yidie na otimu se ye wo mpoano aye babedi mpoano enkomo sanse Ghana no nhwemu ache se enama ana so ye so protein no bebre na efi epum ena eba bebre na mujana mpo de ye mu kakra bi enepe ne mum ye mu bebre na epe fish ye pensuo mu nam enti no ekwan ye befa so aye nso ye bebo epo no ho ban se ye po se lagoon no se mpo ye stream mpo ne ye bo ho ban a e wo se ye bo ne ye bo ne ye unya biwe na me so me banya biwe me na nka nso ane omo di machi nyina ne omo mbedi wonso achi no enya biwe a eno ene kwanpa no ene ne ebeboa omanfo nti nyina ye nhye ne so esa na ne etie ne se no yesu apon ahodo a ewo Ghana ha sei uko universities tertiary institutions even technical institutions wompo e de ato omo so se eba no fishing and also say fisheries epo so edwuma na yen jai emma yen ejanom afarefo no kwa na emom no as a student body as a learning institution no omo so de ato omo so say omo be yen church bi afa sai dwumadie no eho nti usua book mu de kakra no na wo ye practicals no so ewo mpoa no nti sa na tie nti ene ne enkomo aye ba bedi no bebre na ye befa afri eye university no omo so omo ne ya omo ye omo ade ya omo ye omo nchecha omo eye efa eposo adwuma na so enamche eho adwuma eno na ene enkomo a ene ye ba ababedi nti bomodian sa obetinam sisi mbre akopem se ye beja ye guest no ekwan amanako guest a ye no ewofia no eye Dr. Isaac Ochre oka Coastal TV abusua no ho ye ne na ene djuma ewo ha se ye to sa friend be ene baby obi a wo baby ko be full plane edi aba say oye senior lecturer ewo fisheries and aquatic sciences department ewo UCC ono ena ye no eba betwetwe enkomo ewo fiase doc mama ma minjina metefo anam na mema wakwa abambra Coastal TV
me joso anyway metefo nyina
iyo ye da so na ye frɛ wo aba yeah doc ankasa de opɛ asɛm opɛ tefo nyina asɛm ti ye frɛ no kwa dia oba ye da asɛpanya mi sha oni adwuma pa mo ye ma UCC ye Cape Coast ene Ghana nyina ya mi sha mo department nyina
ya das
okay na doc ene nkomo na ye ba bedi no ye pass ye to nsafra because mo na mo wo sa nim de na mo de beboa ye nso a ye wo outside no ye sha se afri Department of Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences mo the science aka ho na sha se mo no mo ye ni deep pa na ne yete ne se me pese me hu se ye kɔ sa department se bia me kɔ se me kɔ kosua fisheries ehu ne ma na se kwa ye fa so chena mana bibi sa eposo adwuma na mu book mu curriculum na se ne ma mo de be chemade no mo beka se ba no best fishing practices are ebi eyedien.
Oh, okay. So sorry. Inti na me fa akwenye na emfanya nchechre about the department.
Okay.
And you're the department nkwan so department no your department no around 2002.
Okay.
First na zoology and botany.
Okay.
First you start university na faculty of science. The faculty of science we call zoology and botany. And after some time no zoology no in year and botany in year and you instead of faculty of science no you about school of biological sciences.
Okay.
So biological science you teach you into when you department of fisheries and aquatic sciences no your environmental science and that there and banana department of fisheries no so about center from Center for Coastal Management.
Okay.
Into the department na nkasa there hona ye ntete addition into no so obi university no ye fisheries will be bia department of fisheries and aquatic science and a center na ye be wo no Center for Coastal Management and also na ye dey outreach and a short term training into no to say young animal fare for na dey programs ayasha and long term programs no to say obi ko degree in fisheries na dey no be department no but short term training say 1 week 2 weeks training fisheries ho at this fisheries ana po ana fare djuma ho na there ana aquaculture na sa short term training and ye no Center for Coastal Management until over time no department no African Union the Center of Excellence for training in fisheries and coastal management and a center no so be World Bank recognized Center of Excellence Africa Center of Excellence in Coastal Region ISCO into the two no are centers of excellence. Just afia GTEC amaya approval amaya by Africa Ocean Institute. Within the Africa Ocean Institute no the Center for Coastal Management no and a Department of Fisheries and Aquatic Science no and a third center yet no from August 1st about third center or Center for Marine Affairs. A person is ocean policy and a law, ocean governance, maritime security, and your faculty of law that into law and a business about maritime security now that then in a the department no university department started running your program for degree. Until who read the department ni ma that's a degree bachelor's degree undergraduate your fisheries and aquatic sciences but masters no they call PhD now for multi specialization until masters level your fisheries science until how fisheries science for no na yisu na entity afarijuma se ukọ yinam kan papa be faso yi enam ne enema bebre and fishery science and oceanography and limnology into oceanography for no omo na ye epono on say epono na nsuwa because emu na nam ne wo nti ye wo epono ni nsuwa no so ne ho adesua enkwa ewo ho said etimi ye process say ekoso a ansa na man nam no etimi ba na edore wo punu no na then na say sometimes o baby a you say insu yiri nkofo epono ewura fie to say water say so you have to say see tidal waves nti epono ewura fie na de ye won ho adesua wave current ɛwɔ punum ne adanse ɛwɔ no ho adesua nkwanso ɛwɔ hɔ no ne oceanography no ansa na yɛwɔ aquaculture for aquaculture for mo na sɛ wo pɛsɛ wo yɛn nam yɛn process yɛ fa so ne yɛn nam no different from sɛ wo akɔkye nam no ɛwɔ punum anansuo no nti aquaculture no nso ho adesua wɔ hɔ ansa na yɛwɔ integrated coastal management the general management of the coast on say coastal erosion a bank of fee no man said they develop coast no to say nko ACC hotels na there one plan nyina na ye hu sunsan so nti mainly no so far no programs no started with degree nti somewhere 2011 now man penia tamos yes obete Anomabu Fisheries College nti no oma university no na oma yedi enim ne ne aban no ye ho ntoto nti sa Anomabu Fisheries College ya plan ne say na ebeye certificate level any diploma level said ebeye ebia obi a ebe untimi nko secondary school ye a obetimi aba university direct no obetimi akostart wo ho nti yam ne janma fare for class bi no wo o level GCE o level no normal obetimi akostart wo ho na wakọ akoye certificate program no it can be on fishing any fishing gear it can be on aquaculture outboard motor mechanics and then normal nti ya planning our programs ni na train na ya train say aban no be rolling out nti no ukọ koye certificate ni diploma na fe waba university ababe ye degree no nti no degree program no fisheries no ye chere kwan papa ye faso echinam no fa ansana ye be chere kwan papa ye faso chinam na ye na mo mu kwan papa ye faso chinam dada na ma ye use they call brain na mo mfa nko omo more dynamite omo use DDT omo omo use net and ni nkete na adade ha nti no ye chere ni na na ye wo abefo kwan so a ye faso the chinam the use of eco sounders unfortunately no eco sounders na there no industrial fisheries for no trawlers akese no and then omu use yan na non yan janma fare for na then there un say still na omu largely informal into no mun develop a sector no any of vessels na there to that extent say omu be adopt technology but say use eco sounders say eco sounders no emit sound emit sound na akunzu no weponum nti akoma baby anam wo no hu wo screen so cheche so na be obetimi navigate akobekọ na wa chinam no konsona wo china on fan net anani nkete ana dynamite anyway we say the other version of eco sounders and their afar for na use light the shame light no the shame attracting so eco sounders na trail baby anam no more but attract you but light no the shame attract omoba but the light no because of dynamite ni ada bobo net nkete ya chi omo ni omuma nyina na ada nti no light no ye unsustainable in fact we be nam no so atia ba bedu no any said as say akwa wunya nam no kranti no we don't encourage encourage bebre say e be use enome bia e ma yetimi locate fish no easily what as because ye bomb ho ban kakraka no ye bomb ho ban say da be betimi amom kan no mato no ma dos nti no say yetimi hu ba bi omo easily a be ma ya chemu nyina antem nti na even eco sounders na de kra ba bia say nam ne wo ho there no problem but ba bia ye nam no ma so ata ba be du no ne bibia e ma nam no mo boa no anase e ma hu enam ku easily na tie mo kwache mo ne adade no enye ade say ye encourage bebre ansa kopum say ye beto ye mbo na yetimi ama omkwan na omotimi ato na oma dore na nam naba na afede yetumi achi om.
But tell we see cause enam no eswati. And the thing is, every day we are so no epofo no omo couple ekoyinam. And better than enam no omaye nyinimpo no ma dore ma ebiaba because every day we are yinam.
So livelihood and survivor. In fact, studies uncle fire, this uncle fire should be brain. It's say, offer ye januma afare for nyada. Omo skill no omo wiase omo dependence na eye on the fishing. Oh, you others be or her. Other forms of skills. As a way you are, no, in fact, research in the evening cry, almost try class, shift yomo. Na, again, say, okay, so ubi nama, ubi a pokopwa, nas oyinama. On it there, or ye nam no, ye aquaculture, no, the fishing aquaculture, no. Omunyina ye nse hu omunyina so mo ye baisa baako bi na de ntino ye betumi ama ye betumi ahya se atete omo ye kopo no so no mo so chase sua se de yesi ye na aquaculture na ade but over time no lesson that yesu an say adise yesu ho no say enye adwuma because the two meaning are entirely different. One is like a farmer. The other aquaculture no is fish farming or a farmer. As into offer finger in it no that all one man or the no gunsu man a pond mu and I be cage mu no one more mediane. Over 6 months. Now my can say no a chum no a tom. Fishermen no hunters. Okay. Into farmers ne hunters no we do one difference hunter no oni adaje the befa nam ketekete fingerling din akoto nsuom na wa yen no ma wenyi as o sori anope a okoche no obeko obeche no aba anyume no aton case close what I say no and ama still na despite the fact say nam conform still na afare for no omo fish intensely because omo ko mu nyanso ntino na omo de nyoma bibi ka ho ntse omo blast dynamite ne DDT light fishing ne ma bebre a omo ye no is because omo ko a omo nya said the first na nko omo nya no nam akofom nti no mode sa na maneka nti no se eba ne sa amen Ghana yen kwa na the fe we na global stocks na akofom no global area si nyina enya Ghana nkwa no nam ne kofom nti aman bi o a almost mu adentem ama omo de esihye bi ana measures bi e de gu akwam omo de show ma afare djuma no it said and I can last time na me ka say bi se kota say Ghana e bi anka kakra e bedu ho nti yuko USA a untumi nche enam dodo bi a ope in a year omo kota so at the beginning of the year no a financial say na ma kota obetumi ache nti wo ya fa ya asanto a o kanu ne kesi enie nti kota obetumi ache e 1 ton so hopa January na obechi 1 ton ni nyina we onko be for the year hopa obechi January obechi kota March no akochi kota July no achi kota September no achi kota no nya 1 ton na asa open so a obetumi ache half na half na aka no your friend individual transferable quota so which me transfer mobi nti ya santa wadan for na ya mensa which me transfer half na ma ya mensa na ya mensa tu aka no wa koche e the account and nti no we say obi awo quota at the end of the year no ye hwe nam dodo a yebetumi ache efi punum nam dodo a esese yeche edifi punum ebia 100,000 metric tons ni ache de amobia ha nti wo de no 1 ton no uchi a we atase ha ba ye ni sa de no ha still nti obia tumi cha said that it depends on how big your vessel is and how many times you can go to sea and that nti abana as start say ye tu sa na man ho anamo nti na ye canoe registration first na canoe be anko ye register no or the registration number say your canoe registration in the new fisheries act no and fisheries mrafo for na abano aban person all license fishermen nti no you introduce license you are na me sure say we bit me move ya next steps reporting so the be fisherman we are so to me report it and am do wa chite bia ukọ ba to me reporting so ho ndi nyendu ha ba ukọ aman foforo so a omo ye ne pa fisherman na nkasa ansa na obeche ukọpo a o chinam no ni na no computer small computer bc o vessel no come oche no na o enter na ma oche na o enter nti no o enter a fisheries office na baby aye ton am nti ho no nko US ntimi nkopo ma na ukra o nam wo bucket ma na train mu digina kwan se o ton obi anto e be che ukra nti o baby aye ton am a big auction room na corner anzu kwa board kakraka bubu boho the fisherman bia o che no na o enter o ma e kwa akoto nam nso mo so tete ho no mo so hwe nti bia no o bia o kwa na we na o pe ha ne kase ti sei na fisherman nso mo enter nti o che nam no wi a o separate cassava fish we na we grade o come fast grade akese medium size na e bia nketwa na o enta ni nyina nti de obeto no so no so te ho hwe ha nti no nim se nam we ya me pe no fisherman we na wache fisherman we na wache ni na wache be 100 tons and all dey ba nti be du no na nipo all ton we ti akadada nti so de na me ba ya Holland ya na nipa no wafa nam ko na so ye ti aka through your account na de nti yo ko jina market nka say na ma 1 cedi me go 1 cedi na I enter kwa na de nyina but over time so those are highly formalized fisheries sectors but you do ho na make anti sector no so a highly informal a highly informal you need that so say nkaka over time yes you be do
some of the technological advancements now about in the fishing no now okay echo sounders na there apart from echo sounders do we have any other technology we are about and saying na first na anyhow
into no on say artisanal ne there because among come industrial level no anti ama technological evolution no it's not that quick but your technologies are the way eco sounders are technologies are is the ditch on say even the kind of fast hauling net net no we have your advancements in them but na make best start say you formalize sector no na ya redeveloping artisanal fishing vessels. This artisanal fishing vessels, no. And as a small scale fishing vessels, no compound, and so inside the canoes, no. And a design in and a decor. Until now, no modernization. The only modernization kakra by an outboard motor. The bone. And say there's a bit of technological evolution. So a best shift to solar powered outboard motors. Instead of they used to fuel premix fuel solar powered. Almost the big buy solar powered outboard motors need to buy. Almost the pilot here. I think it's a Cape Coast and some other areas. I need to find out. So I'm a pilot here no ecosystem. And a canoe na nkasa nkra so instead of wood using wood so ye de bia ye bunua de canoes no my fiber canoes
and also more than say we are in Yana.
No, so ya de nti omo de bi so ma fishermen no omo so ko pilot here for some time bia at the right time no ye bepe omo akọ pilot sa na ma no me no omo ma share omo experience so omo pilot here no e ko see sign na de nti no those innovations are going on and kakra in the sector. Nti yo enisum say ebedu baby ebetumi are ye vessels no for in a way ebenya winches was so nti winches na ye de train net unse sisi ye janum no mo de and on the train. And but there were some very simple mechanical equipment that we are able to meet which you know a train at the back. And you and some say you be do her, you designing a for your winches be home the train. No more eco sound our mom de locate and no more so solar powered aboard motor be a bon na nkakra na ye modern nti won say you can't fisheries enye nam chikeke the number we are making engineering engineering IT engineering IT and other thing na intina your programs are you designing additional
okay yamba back to university short term training courses na mo ye farmers no you said a coastal fisheries development and center for coastal management yes. Okay mo visa mo this training we e buy no fishermen no omo agya tum na ebi mo so ye training no ana says saying in fact I run training no since roughly from 2013 years started here. Okay. But fully funded trainings. And you know, say you niska and run and ending kakra. First, we were supported by USAID and a World Bank, and so I support here. And now they true. Running for fisheries management. Fisheries management. And no na yawo kan papa ya faso e de chinam na di ntia as I say ye introduce to say close season in your man in hand and then they are running or and then they're running for coastal management and so and climate change. In Holland, I church said they will Sakai no AC ha afare dwumane omo etempo no and afare for and that day you know ahomboy say it me prepare na you run for aquaculture and so omo so pese omo nam na busumi no etwamu ya run for the new fisheries act, fisheries laws. Okay. Mrafo for na aban about fishing. Ejuma mu no. Nti no be na otwum
Busumi no ya running with coastal regions from Volta to western.
Okay.
Nipa be 300 na ye training apofo and apofo association leaders and Kongo hima and oma ewo boot na and then ya run monti no trainings na ye ne there afar for no omani je ho pa omani je ho na sese dem kan na resources and sika ibinya e dey run na am into me and run no time bia by honest ye nya bibia na run e dey mom.
Okay. Now, Prince Mosha say no, share maybe attitude and also reception apofo no e dey bana. Do you think say they are more willing say omo pese omo nsua to make a change in the way see fiction e Ghana has say?
Largely yes. Your ibinuma early adopters. Early adopters. They are the drive change. You know, your starting, you know, awareness now are very high. Fishermen, I am so much aware that see and air cost over humanum. To see as I say ye jai kwan fast ye and no man, and I see and I say fast ye and no man. It be more like makers, right? I'm drive change. So that's
okay.
Some and gather to me report it and now cost
Okay,
you know, so all in all, like I said, change this will takes time. And I say how do we call it? We if you said it, but or being for bina or transisted in Nipa and who Nipas and Sakra take play with me at the stages I FMT your innovators.
Okay.
I don't know. We are seeing only about 2% of all the people in the world are innovators.
Okay.
And you know, I know Biano or
2%.
Yeah. And you know, from innovators, no, about early adopters. Early adopters, no, almost say innovators, you know, say innovation be bad, now be before for bad. Oma isum no usually omo loso obi apese o tre kakrana o hwese de beko and that there and late adopters no mo doso mobile phone started by for na you obi na use and anwa am say late adopters na doso tin obi use the early adopters late adopters and the laggards.
Okay.
Okay. And the mobile phone technology is there all right, but you will be more hard. Still more use phone. We day. Use and higher one. This fishermen. Ibis and until early adopters in this room after trainings, no early adopters in this room. Mamoye na friends are crying, but not late adopters and so. We are hoping say late adopters no and so be ebe doors. Na babat ye there e benya laggards. Omo person so almost na enforcement. E work the mom no. Because without enforcement they will not change. There will be no change exactly.
Okay, it was for a fishing and common na yeguso ayedi ewo if you are saying no channel no 514 digital na ye live and colored ewo Facebook and yes and so ewo YouTube but what say obekọ ho na oni ye edi nkita ho se ne ese na efata na anope so ye can about fishing and kanka the way I did fishing no ekọ ewo Ghana say fishing that chain ewo Ghana ha say no eteten na dog amayate asese ensesa ne de eba ensesa ne de eba na mom no eden a ebeche kakra na mom no ncha se emba kra ebeche kakra na ye hwe animu ye wo enidaso se enche no ye be movie even from the fish hunting to fish farming. I think so obia ti eno ase a ebeboa pa ama ye fishery sector no so ejina ne nai so because nye de bia na obesimi akop so akofadam at least the one kasa so timi enye mbia anka no so eye kwan papa nti ye bekoso ana ya board side the room ye hope say ye woni so say enche no bibia ebe to na kwan mu amasanse sai no so aba eno ne enkoma no pay ye di ewo efia say na so say some di kan universities and tertiary institutions no so ye nchrechere ewo sa ensisaye eho enye de bia ne be negative o say e bomode say e be bo positives no eho dehu na nkofo ate asese bibi we me ya e be boa me ama mejuma no so me enam che juma no so akoso ewo Ghana ha say doc enche ye be sorry so na ye di jumadi ni na aba na wieye me da de bia me bisa say ebi o ha na asem bi wo chima pesa wakabat me bisa no a obetimi akan no ansa na ya sorry for
Abedimpo Fisheries Commission Kanu Council Aiko Kwami Kofi Kinata Nyame no boni wiase no gbepu besi na numu nyame yina Obosu yuru eben ekan safolo anjina umo no bobo nso kese na senior man falfu benye sika oyepui ya bori na ma oyensi eto na chinam epiala Sunday sikenyi bi no nyi pese munkuminya obiala le hwehwe mana kubenya ti wale yepui ma wo pebiala inti ene puya mo sayeli eni da chinchili ma wansu walibe wabeyeden inti ene puya mo sayeli eni isonde da chinchili ma wansu walibe wabeyeden light agado ko budu ni yende dynamite ni yende GABBY no so yende tinki ni yende sikaya blente ni yende kalari no yende woman yende another Tuesday fish ni yende so close season never yamana manambe na want to na $1 from my yanalo what am American Western Central Greater Accra Volta Disco Kokulo bite ye jan ma fall for one free ye aba sisiri mum tabulu mum bi pa di preko denke yemfe ye di da na sisiri mum tabulu mum bi pa na di preko denke yemfe ye di da na fate phone se Mara won't be a child, papa, Nazima say, Fale Buzona, she papa, le. For that, Olela, Gigi, papa, Niga me ukage, we wanna quit, papa, wapo. Mama Ganshona, Joy so alua won't show me. Pay a fee tell why he baller, Pay for ya no lay a bola, no balu. Ganshona, Joy so alua won't show me. Pay a fee tell why he baller, Pay for ya no lay a bola, no balu. Ibalu, Langana Ibalu, Ibalu, Langana Ibalu, Tata iti, Galaba, Tata iti, Galaba, Tata iti. CJ na brabo, Galisuawa, CJ na brabo, Galisuawa, CJ. My man, I'm Kakama no Panda winning, no one I know being a by a shark. Seven lights I do for food in the end, dynamite in the end, GABBY no so tinky in the end, Sikaya blend in the end, Kalari no yenje, woman yenje. Another Tuesday fish in the yenje. So close season number. Yamba na menembele na wantu na wawona $1 from me yanalo. Nafa, Geta, Tunafo, Inshofo, Sefcon, Mufa.
Mono ena yekotie ya yesanso esan ho abaye ba beto adwumadi no so na medi kan ka che we say close season no next month ya na e be start for the various fisher folks no nti no ye pese ye di enkomo kakra na ye hwe say after the close season no so no ehun tresem etisen what are some of the niema bi a afofo no ebetimi aye na omode aboa wo mo ho in terms of finances, economic life, na and also because and also it's me a bomb because ye close ponesa na ya na nkofo bebre anu eduane e bomb ani ade iti anu pay ye ne Dr. Isaac Ochre owo Department of Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences University of Cape Coast oye senior lecturer wo ho ye ne no e ba be twetwe enkomo na wa ma ye futo kakra advice kakra ye nuanom ye papa fo ne afarefo no ye betimi ye de abobra na aboaye nti no ye twen ase ye benya no ewo ahoma no so na me adom na se ye nsaka no ahoma no so a ye ne no e be hwehwe nkomo na afei okay nti manya ne se ye nya dog ewo ahoma no so dog mpo good morning e mo akoma so ba Coastal TV so hello Doc Mposha Otimeka.
Hello.
Yo Doc, ye da se pasa no anope wetimi aka ye ho ewo Coastal TV pia na asama ye bisa no eye tietietia ye pe
Mbacha me ton kapa.
Yo Miss Medase na anope ye bisa se afarifo tell be ya close season ya eba nyame adman next month eba be sha ase ya no after close season no enima bensa na enima bensa no betimi edo mo ho agima ebe boa ma omusikasem so akoye na enkoba ne se obi anu aduane ebe bo no nti anope ya wafoto kakra obetimi dia amaye no eno na yeje Yeah, hello Doc.
Hello.
Hello Doc.
Hello. Papa what you nka?
Pacha me to nka pa, obetimi akasa.
Me to nka pa ba to voice ni wo from mama kaka.
Oh, okay. Doc Pacha na me bisa se anope ye januma farefo ne ya ye afare adwuma no ye tie o. Ye pe afuto kakra close season ya ebe season na chi no nema bi a ye betimi aye nwuma bi ye betimi de ye ho agima ebe maye sika na enkoba ne se ya no aduane ebe boye eno ne asama ye bisa ye ji wo futo kakra afa eno so ho.
Okay. If me that me chia a form tie any omo ahwefo omo hwe Coastal TV na so say ye januma fare for artisanal fishes somewhere the canoe a couple a coronyama a couple near there close we are a bay aban a human film so mon count but yes some that platform they both akase na well mina no and second year any tamano issue inboard engine and the outboard motor bomb but inboard engine ya wacha na de akase no na kam na but my yamfa star afutu ya ebia yamfa yamfa janom afare for ni na so emfra esi bia debi se ba pe aban de ombe kanwa then na you be to me I ewo mra ya to pulu send be ya ye sabi to me akoya no but I said now patch. Hello. Hello.
Doc Bacho Meton Cabet me akoso.
But I said now, patch Emra to put no. The Bassa Yama for the Kawa. And then on between I am with the Comano.
Bacho.
Okay. Let me say. NGOs, any other project, any try in intervention. Kakra bia na nka ban susu say bia ebetimi aye say anka apare for ena don besua apakota say dey nam yen na nka emra ya tupum ni ade sei no ebi anka no tun abo amu ta koma no but no ye omo try but anyiye ena afi so aban bia retreat no or try say obema anka emra ya to police no plastic and rubber the bria apple to eponana group one ya chineta in plastic ni na e ba na de no anka aban try say or better plastic pelleting machine the amount of the anka sabi no between after plastic no anka machine a pellet no a compress no anka o ma beto e fi o muntain so the be o be mo bibi kakra no the mom ta akoma no but enu so no ani in fact apart from the issue ya pa still you say opportunities war. But you bring a mind say be or other boy man say oh say the amina when the amita Ghana you nipa more than 30 million and I want out of nipa 30 million oma enya kwan akopo so da no to okopo keke akoshe de posofia okopo atede tie no you do better 500,000 crown for 1 million because mainly a far for now apart from mono if you want oil and gas a jumani agad you know there you say a pool exciting after Ghana Navy organize a promo never boot kakatabi omude in Kofoko so afibia na nipa kwani edomo ekugu ono easy na chese obia pese onko onyaya obekwa kwhwe nipa bibile ni jon na obia so kwhwe kwenya akwenya mpo kwhwepo na so otua mpa nse 60 Ghana cedis anasa 100 Ghana cedis mpa na me kan say you be 30 nipa 30 million it is a 1 cedi kwampa taking almost 30 million to this song. It's a Quenya from marine tourism. No, you use the Ghana, you explore but you class, you share and no a chicken, so quiet the patrol this car. You focus now, you know, say the Kakochinam, the Kakochinam in this car, but quiet patrol, so many pop so question, especially. Dolphins apart from the tree. Sometimes we are July. Especially September or November. Ukopuma. For the government, they are dolphins. Nukrawa. One bit with the call. And you know, the year apart from this news, as a fire, almost the first one. Organizing features like marine tourism. But I mean, when you have a Ministry of tourism and a Ministry of fisheries and the Ghana Maritime Authority. na beka bull na abua apare for no mape boat another vessel electric I with you the poswa or how the armor no safety equipment life jacket any no man who be couple so cry we do so to no more failure there is no binya that no my with you the so na man na no atutu na pem na ya explore marine eco tourism and so me wa simple say adia betumi ama afare for to me miska na the time ya to eponu no so na o metumi ede share mo ni o mabusia
Yo, Dr. Isaac Okche, a senior lecturer at Department of Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences. Ono, and I no extra and como na oboy she was a bibi to say fisheries tourism and casanto. A juma, a bit me aye, and yet and I'm share no qua. You into dog, ye da sepa, yame on show. Na every permanent, a best besan about China. Yenu abedi enkoma na yemre nti no yentimi ndi nkoma nkwachi na emom no emrepam ne besan so ene wo edi nkita wo na waboye nhemu ankasa ankasa ewo ne wo kan ye sure say bebre so eka we mu but emre nti yentimi ensan so enni nkomo tenten nti dog ye beda ase anopei ye beda ase
yo me so da ase pa
yo nti ahwafo ne etiefo eno ne asema ewo enma nti yenuanom afarefo ye ejanom ye nanom afare for betimi ateki opportunity say akonya ne banko ade amomozi say beteki the opportunity no na ode wo ho agim ena na oka no fisheries ministry of fisheries and so ebetimi ade ne nsaba be sha say esan say afare for no kwentimi nye na mum say mpanfo no eba mu a ebema bibia etimi agina ne nan so ebeda doctors pass anopei na sama ode amaye na Asa ne sorry media no so ne emphasize that ma ya boafo National Petroleum Authority NPA yensanso nda Nesto Ventures ase Amiments Hardware and Finishes isanso ewo Patmo Prince ana the Taste Kitchen Services na the Cell Gift Shop omone aboafo maso ya se edi dwumadie yede ebro Coastal TV Morning Mix dwumadie Tuesdays edition enene yede ababe sumwo yitima na ye ne omo eye adwuma no eye ejei Ben Delphina na meanso medin ede afiba esien mema ore mfi se ene no ebo 8 ye kobo match Ghana ye o match ebo ye obo obi ebo in fact ye o match bi anwini nti bo modern say wo de support no ebe ma Ghana Black Stars bo mpa nsa no akai Ghana Black Stars ati ase se be ya san yankopon eye emaye no onye ema we nso se be ya Mizrim for mu huna ye hu mu bio. Watch out say sanity. Enti have a nice day, have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Depending on where you are watching us from. Na nyame ene wonta nyame adom na se ochina divine selection no ebi kan na se adom bi dum ye. Na se ye nya broken heart a ye be san so aba. Watch out mu ma bai.
Ye taba ya chagama ye tama ya chagama bye bye anyway na ya de mono gakalika yeso ina yesa o ma wane pe bye bye anyway na ya de mono gakalika yeso ina yesa o ma wane pe Gano dende, blaster so dende. 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 Yeita mubi oba na bate the samia. Ya chaga mubi oba na bate the samia. Yeita mubi oba na bate the samia. Ya chaga. I bet the bill in the money, oh you need John in the money. I say coffee the money, I say Mujan in the money, winter in the money, Stevie Nappy and the money, Robert Mesa, goalkeeper number 1. The boy, a beshe, you sulo biala, the boy, a beshe, you sulo biala, the boy, a beshe, you sulo biala, the boy, a beshe, you sulo bialo. Ita mubi wa baba no batse the samia. Ya chaja mubi wa baba no batse the samia. Ita mubi wa baba no batse the samia. Ya chaja. I bet the pain and the money, oh you need Jan and the money. I say coffee the money, I say Mujan and the money, winter in the money, Stevie Nappy and the money, Robert Mesa, goalkeeper number 1. The boy a beshe, you sulo biala. 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 Ita mubi wa baba no batse the samia. Ya chaja mubi wa baba no batse the samia. Mubi wa baba ita mubi wa baba. Mubi wa baba ya chaja mubi wa baba batse the samia. Mubi wa baba ita mubi wa baba batse the samia. Mubi wa baba ya chaja.